Hey Brett, can drinking cough medicine get you high?
Absolutely. If it has DXM in it, codeine's a pretty popular one. That's what's in like lean or purple drink. It's promethazine and codeine. It gives you, there's a sedative effect to it and a euphoria that goes along with it. And it's pretty long lasting. So a lot of people do it and you have a continuous high for a continuous amount of time. But the danger in that is it's a little bit longer acting. So the withdrawal off that when you try and get clean is longer as well. It's kind of tit for tat in that sense.